creative,
resilient,
mindful,
courageous,
joyful,
innovative,
grateful,
independent,
confident, inspired.
Empowering our children with the tools they'll need to create an extraordinary future, because it will be built by kids. Welcome to the Built by Kids podcast. I'm Laura Dahl here with Timothy Dahl.
Hello, hello.
And welcome back. We are sitting on our porch looking at gorgeous butterflies fly by as our son is downstairs homeschooling during the coronavirus pandemic.
Yes, and I think this episode we really wanted to touch on this other part of Built by Kids that we've just launched called Today I Made.
That's right. As soon as we found out we were going to be staying at home by orders, we thought, well, what a perfect opportunity to make more, to make something every day. That has been our goal, and we have been pretty good about that, give or take a couple days here and there. So we are launching Today I Made series of videos, which are how to do it yourself, amazing projects such as a leather-bound journal, a jewelry hanger. Hunter made an amazing scrambled egg breakfast for the family and some nutritious shakes and smoothies. We made
a compass.
Very cool.
A pencil box.
That's right. A desk organizer and a window box that is now planted with some gorgeous herbs that we're using all the time since we're cooking at home so much more.
And these are all really basic woodworking, or some of these are basic woodworking projects and activities that you can, still go to your local home center, Lowe's, Home Depot. They have
order online.
Yep. We went to Rockler as well, but these materials are all still readily available. Really,
all you need is a power drill, some wood glue, a handsaw, some sandpaper. I mean, truly, we've tried to keep it as simple as possible, knowing that a lot of people may not have things.
Right. And what's great about these is that your child can be a part of the design process and the discussion. And so I think, Hunter didn't just drop into these projects. He helped lead these projects.
Absolutely. We were so excited to start getting your feedback and to start rolling them out. We've even touched on meditation, and Hunter made his mind calm. That was something he made one day, his mind calm.
Well, I think a lot of these projects too are something that we've done, but can hopefully maybe inspire you to do that project that you've been thinking about. That's the main thing.
That is the main thing. But truly, if you want to follow along step by step, you can do that in these videos. But one that we're so excited about that almost slipped my mind is a spray paint mural. How fun is it to put on all of your gear and shake those cans and turn it into something fantastic and colorful and vivid and happy and bright that the entire family can enjoy? So that's a fun one. And we're working on a paint like Pollock project, which is so fun. So again, as Timothy said, things that are really accessible to anyone. You don't need any special tools per se, and all you need is some creativity and a little bit of time.
Right. I think some of these art projects are pretty fascinating if you have the space to work on a larger canvas. I think children really enjoy just getting a little messy and having something they can really display that's not just something on their desk.
They can be proud of it for sure. So we're proud of the videos and the way they turned out. We hope you love them, and we look forward to seeing you over there and all of your comments.
Right. And if you have projects that you've made, we're using the hashtag Today I Made. That will be on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can follow Built by Kids on all of those platforms, Built by Kids, and look forward to sharing all of these projects with you throughout the rest of the summer and beyond.
That's right. All right. Stay home and stay inspired.